celebration. Week 6 of Super Rugby 2020 in Wellington, the capital city, for the first time this season, will play host to a local derby as the Hurricanes welcome the Blues.
Sit!
So Perenara to get it in and clears it quickly straight up to Laumapi, who charges and very nearly got the offload to Aso, who was in a bit of space. Loose ball for Barrett. He slips it nicely for Fafita, who gets to stretch the legs early. Over the top, beautiful pass, and Ben Lamb is in the first 2 minutes of the game.
Just watch the big strides of this man. The ball in one hand, over the top. What a pass. Ben Lamb, you're not going to stop him from there. Fine. Sit.
Right, in it goes from Knock. Here's Ioane on the charge. Oh, good defence on him by Karifi. Now Robinson. Met head on by Perenara. All coming for the Blues.
Offside.
And offside against the Hurricanes as they go. And time off here. Blues looking pretty interested in a try here.
Check to see if there's a bobble there. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's hit the chalk. Pretty sure that's hit the chalk.
Yeah, there, Mike.
Yeah.
Ball clearly grounded or the try.
Okay, thank you.
So there it is. Try scored by the comeback kid, Akira Ioane. Conversion attempt then from Oteri Black, and he's drilled it through. And the Blues have the lead for the first time in the game, 3 minutes out from halftime. And the Hurricanes leading at the break here in Wellington by 8 points to 7. Slung away by Black into the arms of Perifetta. Looking to find any gaps up the centre.
High tackle.
And it's a high tackle.
Number 1.
Against Numia.
Not looking so good for Tyrell Lomax, though.
So we're looking at, you've tucked it, it's made direct contact with the head, so it's always illegal. There's no significant dip, so it has to be a red card.
Well, red card. Down to 14 men as Tyrell Lomax is sent from the field.
Leave it now.
It's going to be there, though, for Sam Knock. Off it goes again to Black. Now there's a chance. Out wide for Talia. And diving. Not sure. Not sure.
Come on.
Lovely pass here from Rico, and then just backs himself. Don't you love that?
Correct.
So try given.
Sit.
So Ben Lamb on the side of the scrum here. As the Blues put a bit of pressure on, off goes Gareth Evans, flicks it away, Van Beek, and the Hurricanes score.
Well, he's just come back on the field. Cobus Van Beek past his HIA, and what a return for the man on the right wing.
See if there's a clear hold off the side. Straight through.
Where's the ball? There it is. Black frees it up. Ioane, and that might be another yellow. Oh, penalty try. That's a penalty try.
Intentional knock on.
We've had it all tonight.
That clear overlap.
We have had it all tonight.
Has to go as well.
And they're down to 12 men.
Dane, take a breath. That's clear.
And the Blues have finally broken the duck against the Hurricanes, which has existed for a long time, with victory here tonight in Wellington by 24 points to 15.